Tired of manually keeping track of your business's inventory, equipment, and other assets? Invisi-Tag offers a better solution than counting or tedious barcode scanning to save time and money. Invisi-Tag is your electronic checklist that allows you to track inventory in just seconds. Using RFID technology combined with smartphone capabilities, you simply tag and scan your inventory, and a digital report is created and stored on the cloud for 24/7 access anywhere. Eliminate human error, inconsistent paperwork, and increase your business's productivity with Invisi-Tag. Visit us online at InvisiTag.com today to learn more.
Hi, I'm Mac. I'd like to tell you a little bit about Invisi-Tag. Invisi-Tag is an equipment tracking solution that will allow you to track your equipment from warehouse to truck to job and back. We use the power of RFID technology with the convenience of smartphones or smart devices, and backed by a cloud-based web program. You can scan your inventory in seconds by pulling the trigger on your scanner. Your inventory changes from red to green. You know that you have what you need. Send that information right up to your cloud where it is reported. You can pull reports, show reports, do anything you need on our web program.
This video is to demonstrate the integration between Invisi-Tag and PSA. Invisi-Tag's new location and transfer feature now integrates with PSA, syncing over job locations, warehouses, and vehicle information. This allows us to then achieve our goal of eliminating duplicate information for our users who share the system, so they don't have to enter duplicate information. So to begin, I'm going to show you here, when I click on jobs and transfer, notice that there are no locations currently. So when I go back, we're going to go ahead and create them in our PSA account. So let me go ahead and show you our PSA screen here. So once we're logged into our PSA account, we can go to equipment. We're going to create our warehouses and trucks first. So I can click create. We already have a few here. Create integrated truck number 1. Then I select the type truck, click save, and integrated truck number 1 as a truck type is here. I will create a warehouse as well. And I will select warehouse as my type. I click save. And let's go ahead and create a job as well. So a job location will also sync over in Invisi-Tag. I want to create. And I can put in the name Kent Metropolis Avenue City. New York 0 USA. When I click on save, this job now will be saving in PSA. Great, so the job has successfully been created. Now what we're going to be doing is going back into the InvisiTag app, and we will then sync the information in the InvisiTag app, and we'll be able to see all these job locations, truck and warehouse locations that we've created sync down into the InvisiTag app. Awesome. Now complete. When I press jobs and then transfer, here are all the location that I've just created over from the PSA account into my InvisiTag app. Very simple. We've eliminated duplicate information. So as you can see here, we created our warehouse. That's the location name, the type, and the number of tags in that location. Same thing for our vehicle, as well as the job location. So the job location from PSA shows you your job ID, customer's name, the type, the number of tags, as well as the address associated to that job. Now we're actually going to be using Invisi-Tag to actually move equipment between our job sites. So when I go to jobs, I click transfer. In Invisi-Tag, remember the golden rule to move equipment, or you ask yourself in this screen, is where am I moving my equipment to? That allows you to select your location. So I click my warehouse, and my mobile device and my handheld connects via Bluetooth. Connected. Now I'm just gonna point and shoot at my equipment and then watch everything come into the app. Select again. It's connected.